Hello, little artist. Let's start our drawing with a beautiful lighthouse. First, draw the main tower of the lighthouse. At the very top, draw a small roof with a triangular shape.
Here's a polished upgrade idea.
Using two slightly curved vertical lines, make the bottom a little wider than the top. Now add the different sections of the lighthouse with horizontal lines. Draw the balcony near the top, followed by the lantern room.
Improvements for 69.
Add the windows inside the lantern room and a small door or window on the lighthouse tower. Now let's create the land around our lighthouse. Draw small bushes. Now draw a long horizontal line across the picture to separate the sky from the ocean. Let's draw a bright setting sun. Now our sky needs some fluffy clouds. Now comes the most exciting part, coloring. First, color the lighthouse with red and white stripes.
Yellow, white, red, blue, extra clit, boost tips. Add a big smiling fish face close up on one side. Add a small wow or fun sticker. Keep background slightly blurred so fish stand out more. If you want, I can edit this exact image into a perfect 16.
Use blue for the windows and balcony.
Image. Write a proper uploading description.
Color the grass with different shades of green to make it look bright and natural.
Easy fish drawing for kids. Step-by-step tutorial. Welcome to Tom's Sketch. In this fun and simple video, kids will learn how to draw a cute fish step-by-step in an easy way. Perfect for beginners and young artists. We use simple shapes, bright colors, and easy steps.
Use brown for the sandy beach and land near the water.
Enjoy drawing. How to draw a fish easily. Coloring tips for beginners. Creative drawing skills for kids.
For the sky, use yellow and light orange to create a warm sunset glow. Color the sun with orange and yellow.
Paper, pencil, eraser, colors. Like don't forget. Like oh, forget. Like don't. Like oh, share. Like oh, don't forget. Like don't. Easy fish drawing for kids. How to draw fish step by step. Kids drawing.
Now color the ocean with beautiful shades of blue. Add some lighter blue strokes to create the look of waves.
Sketch. If you want, I can also write a SEO optimized title viral tags to help your video.
If you enjoyed drawing and coloring this beautiful lighthouse scenery, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep drawing with me.
Viral tags to help your video grow. Ooh, 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 ooh. Easy fish drawing for kids. Step-by-step drawing tutorial. Oh, easy fish drawing for kids. Step-by-step drawing tutorial. Oh.
Finally, color the clouds with bright blue and add a little shading to make them stand out. And there we go.
Drawing for kids. How to draw a fish.
Our beautiful lighthouse scenery is complete. See you in the next drawing video. Bye-bye.